So this robot vacuum is really, really cool. It gets around the chair legs, and it just never ceases to amaze me how cool this, how smart this robot is. I'm so happy with my purchase. Look at that. It cleans up everything under the chair that a regular vacuum just would not be able to reach. It just maneuvers all the way around and then continues. This is amazing. I love this thing. I totally love this. It really cuts my cat cleanup time in half. Once it learns the room, it doesn't bump into things. But it cleans really, really well. The suction is really powerful. And as you can see here, it's heading toward the cat tree, and it's even able to go up onto that little cat tree ledge there. And when it gets sort of stuck or whatever, it gets itself out of trouble. It's just amazing. So I'm very, very happy with my purchase. Powerful little vacuum, and the price was really great. You know, for under $130, I have a really good, smart robot vacuum, and it's going to save me a lot of time. Pretty happy. Anyway, this is Alexandra signing out.